Eggplant, also called brinjal, sits in almost every kitchen around the world. It is loved for its taste and texture, but it also carries real nutritional value along with a few risks worth knowing. Let's get right into it. Nutritional profile. Eggplant is low in calories yet rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. A single cup contains a good dose of vitamin K, vitamin C, potassium, and folate. It also delivers plant compounds called anthocyanins, especially in the purple skin, which give it strong antioxidant power and its signature color. Heart health benefits. The fiber and antioxidants in eggplant support a healthy heart. Compounds like nasunin help protect blood vessels from oxidative damage, while potassium helps regulate blood pressure. Regular eggplant consumption has been linked to lower LDL cholesterol levels in several studies. Blood sugar control. Eggplant has a low glycemic index, meaning it does not cause sharp spikes in blood sugar. Its high fiber content slows down glucose absorption into the bloodstream, making it a smart choice for people managing diabetes or simply looking to keep their energy levels stable throughout the day. Weight management support. Because eggplant is low in calories and high in fiber, it keeps you feeling full for longer without adding excess energy to your diet. This makes it a useful addition to weight loss plans. Its spongy texture also makes it a satisfying substitute for higher calorie ingredients in many everyday recipes. Bone health benefits. Eggplant contains important minerals like calcium, iron, and manganese, all of which contribute to strong and healthy bones. Regular intake, paired with other bone-friendly foods and enough sunlight exposure, may help reduce the risk of bone density loss as we grow older. Cancer-fighting properties. The anthocyanins and polyphenols found in eggplant have shown antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects in early research. These compounds help neutralize free radicals in the body, which may lower the risk of cell damage and certain chronic diseases, including some forms of cancer, over time. Digestive health benefits. Thanks to its rich fiber content, eggplant supports smooth digestion and helps prevent constipation. Fiber also feeds healthy gut bacteria, which plays a role in overall gut health, nutrient absorption, and even immune function within the digestive tract. Possible side effects. Eggplant belongs to the nightshade family, which can trigger reactions in sensitive individuals, including joint pain or skin irritation. It also contains solanine, which in large amounts may cause nausea or digestive discomfort. People with oxalate sensitivity or kidney stone history should eat it in moderation and consult a doctor if unsure. So, that's the full picture on eggplant. A simple vegetable with impressive health benefits and a few things to watch out for. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more health content, and let us know your favorite way to cook eggplant in the comments below.